In the previous videos, we used the Syndea model transform connection to transform a SysML block structure into a Teamcenter PLM part structure, or a PLM bill of materials to a SysML model. Either of these processes left the individual elements connected between the two tools, with the connections managed by Syndea. In this video, we will show how we can use these connections to compare and update the two structures as one or both of the models evolve over time. We begin by opening the SysML model we used in the first video. We will modify the SysML part structure by adding a second part of type engine. In parallel, we have opened the Teamcenter repository directly and modified the PLM part structure by deleting the fuel distribution part from fuel system and adding fuel line and fuel pump to the Teamcenter bill of materials. Now both models have changed since they were originally connected. Launching Syndea and going to the connection browser, we find the connection from the aircraft platform block in the SysML model. Right-click it and choose Compare SysML and Target. The result shows the new engine part in the SysML model as a red highlighted difference between the two aircraft platform elements. It also shows that there is a new revision of the fuel system part in Teamcenter. Notice, however, that it does not show the addition and deletion of parts in the PLM fuel system, because these only affect the fuel system SysML block. They don't affect the aircraft platform block directly. These only show up if we compare across the fuel system connection. It is possible to see all the changes by invoking Compare across the structure package. This is a higher level element that contains all the connected elements. Comparing across multiple connections may require extra time, but the final result shows both the added part property in the SysML model and the changes in the Teamcenter model. Now in this example, we want to keep both sets of changes. We have the option of updating the SysML model from Teamcenter or the Teamcenter model from MagicDraw, but there is no general solution to merging the two models. In this case, we can do two separate update operations to reach a uniform final structure in both tools that incorporate all the changes. We first go back to the connection browser and right-click on the fuel system connection and choose Sync Target to SysML, which will write the Teamcenter changes to SysML for the fuel system. Then we right-click the aircraft platform connection and sync SysML to Target to write the revised SysML model back to Teamcenter to create a new revision of the aircraft platform part. Note that this second action is not possible if our Teamcenter access credentials do not give us write privileges. Now we return to the SysML model to see the changes. We see the new engine part in the aircraft platform. The new fuel system parts also show up. Note that the fuel distribution block in SysML has not been deleted, only its use as part of the fuel system. The fuel distribution block remains in the SysML model, and it even remains connected to the fuel distribution item in Teamcenter, but the black diamond arrow between fuel system and fuel distribution has disappeared, and its part property is no longer appearing under fuel system in the model browser. Check for advanced topic videos for further instruction on using Syndea's interface for Siemens Teamcenter, including handling requirements, dependencies, and trace links.